Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Srinivasan .NET developer. We are looking into Entity Framework tutorials. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to order the value of the column by writing the simple Entity Framework statement. So for that, I have a simple table called students, and inside that we have four students in the student table. And yeah, I wrote simple queries to order the student name column and to order student name and email column from the student table in a single query, right? So I'm going to teach you first how to order a single column in entity framework. So let's see. So in order to order the value of the particular column, we must use order by method. So we have two methods used to order the values of columns. One is order by and another one is order by descending. So I'll explain the second one later. So at first I'm going to teach you order by ascending. So this method is used to order the values in ascending order. So I'm going to order the student name. So we will get this result in our .NET project. Okay, just select the column name here and then to list. As I said before, toList method is used to get the result in list object. Okay, so now the student is a list. Okay, that's it. So let's check. We have the same result, 1432. John Martin Peter. And whenever we select the column to order, if the type of the column is text based column, so it will take the alphabetical to uh, order by ascending or descending order. So if you select any numerical column like student ID, so it will order from 0 to 1 2 3 order like that. If descending means it will show the highest number first and then it will decrease. Okay, so yeah, and next I'm going to show you how to order more than one column in entity framework statement. So we have student name and email column. So we are going to get this result by writing entity framework statement. So in order to use more than one column to order, so we must create a new object, and inside we must use this separator, then email, right? Email, that's it. We have the same result, 4132 John Martin Peter. 4132 John Martin Peter, and John 1 at Gmail at first and then 19 at second. So this is how you can order a single column or more than one column in ascending order by using order by method. So when you want to order the value of the column in descending order, so you can use the same way. You can use order by descending method. That's it. So I'm going to run this query. So we are getting this result. Let's check whether we are getting the same result or not. 23414 Peter Martin John. 2314 Peter Martin John. Now we have a same result in database and in our project also, right? So this is how you can order a column, more than one column of the table in entity framework statements, using entity framework statements. I hope you can understand this concept. In the next video I'll come up with a different topic of entity framework tutorials. If you like this video, please share, subscribe my channel and like, and yeah, thank you.